Hi guys, welcome back to my my channel here. Just want to make a quick video about traveling as a semi-truck driver over the road and what to bring for you to eat. I have a fridge. I had the seat removed in my truck, and I've got a refrigerator, which I'll show you a picture of that in the video here. I have a short video that I'm going to show you some of the things that my wife makes for me and I keep on the road. I think that this is a big it's a big deal, for many different reasons, but the two main reasons are really to save money and to eat healthier. So I bring a lot of stuff that my wife makes for me, and then I put it in the fridge, and I'm out 2 weeks, and usually I have enough, so I might run out and I might have to go back to the grocery store, but you know, I can eat sandwiches along with some of the stuff that's going to be in this video. And I got like chips and salsa and stuff like that. There's other things that are not in this video that I usually buy at the store, bring with me, like cereal and milk, bottled water, like Coke Zeros. I stay away from sugar as much as I can, because you're doing a lot of sitting and driving, you might want to cut the sugar. So I try to eat as healthy as I can. It's very hard sometimes whenever you come across a Dairy Queen. It is for me anyway, because I just enjoy I enjoy me a Reese's Blizzard from time to time. So that's my weakness. So there's just it's a big deal. I think people should understand that it's extremely expensive if you're out just eating every day at the truck stops. And the truck stop food, man, it's not usually very good. I mean, there are some places that have pretty good food, but man, 90% of them are really bad. So I highly recommend you meal prep your own food and put it in your fridge, and you know, bring your own drinks and water. So here's the video. It's just going to kind of show you some of the things that I bring along with me. It's I'll give you a brief description of what some of it is, if I can remember off the top of my head. It's yogurt in the little cups, and with granola, which I typically eat that in the morning for breakfast, if I even feel like eating breakfast. But most of the time, if it's yogurt, I'm going to eat it. That's homemade yogurt. So all of this, by the way, is all homemade. So if you want any recipes, just let me know, and then I'll get them from my wife, and I'll have her make a video for recipes for you guys if any of y'all are interested. If not, that's fine too. But and the next one is like spaghetti. That's probably my favorite thing. And then there is pot roast, and what else is there? There's cheeseburger, like mac and cheeseburger, macaroni, which is really good. And the other one is pork. I don't know, it's like barbecued pork. It's really good. I like it a lot. But what I usually do is I'll freeze like half of it for the second week, and I'll eat the first week. You know, the first week of food that I'm going to eat, I'll leave in the bottom portion of the fridge, and the second week of food I'll leave in the top portion, which is the freezer. That way, you know, you can keep your food fresh. I may run out, because sometimes I'll eat one of those portions for lunch, and then I'll eat another one for dinner, if I don't feel like eating sandwiches for lunch, because sandwiches, man, they get old real quick. So but yeah, here's some of the things. There's some of the things that I take along with it. We do change it up from time to time, because you'll get bored if you do the same thing over and over. Like sometimes I'll eat taco meat with nachos. But I got burnt out on that, so we didn't do that this time. Also, Sloppy Joe's, one of my favorites. Yeah, that's real easy, to make. I'm getting burned out on that as well, so we changed it up a little bit. So, which I'm happy with. I'm liking it. I'm enjoying it. But yeah, I'm out here in Barberton, Ohio. Got to pick up another load going to South Carolina somewhere. I don't remember where exactly, but we'll be doing that till tomorrow. We're gonna head that way. They're keeping us busy out here, so we're running, man. It's good to have food when you're running hard. It's good to have it right there, readily available, man. Because stopping all the time and taking breaks and extra breaks all the time, it'll kill your clock. Well, not your clock, but you get there late, man, and you don't want to, you want to be driving, not stopping all the time. So it helps a lot. So here's the video. Thanks for following and watching. Thanks, guys.